Today I was building strand, so steel, strand, whatever you would like to call it. I mean, that is basically the placer for what the coax or the fiber will go on that holds it up there. So basically you get up, you look at the map, decide what street you need to be on, et cetera, and then build it. Last year we built Cass Township, which is like about a town over from here. They didn't have internet at all. So it was nice to be able to come through, talk to all the people, like the locals, and they were excited to finally have internet after 30 years. I'd say it feels good to be able to give people something that they could use, and it's not like a temporary use. It's like if we come through and build internet, they have that internet for years and years and years to come. Definitely more of a career path. I mean, most guys will come in, start at the bottom, work their way up, and then eventually take like a manager position. I'd say it's definitely a career. There's always room for growth, always.
I enjoy my job because you're always outside. There's always challenges. You're working above cars, working around people. You just got to maintain safety first and got to watch for others. Do your job as safe as you can. Don't get in a hurry. I'd say go ahead for it. I mean, it's not like you need to go to college for 4 years or anything to get in debt, and you make decent wage. I wouldn't regret it at all, and it's something that I would tell anyone to do.